Alright, let's get real for a second. Have you ever wondered what happens if you hit the gym while you're high? Yeah, I'm talking about cannabis weed, Mary Jane. Whatever you call it. It's a hot topic, and today I'm busting myths, sharing facts, and diving into what really goes down when you mix the two. Now, some folks swear by it. They'll tell you, bro, my mind-muscle connection is next level. I feel every rep. Others, they'll say, dude, I almost fell off the treadmill. So, what gives? Let's break it down. First up, the short-term effects. Cannabis can slow your reaction time, mess with your coordination, and make your heart rate spike. That's right, your heart's working overtime before you even pick up a dumbbell. For some, that means feeling extra pumped. For others, it's a straight-up panic attack waiting to happen. But wait, there's more. Some users say being high helps them find their zone, that sweet spot where nothing else matters except the next set. Music feels epic and your focus is dialed in. Sound familiar? That's dopamine and endorphins teaming up with THC. But here's the twist, not everyone gets that effect. Some just get super lazy. The line between I'm crushing this workout and I'm just gonna sit here for a bit gets real blurry. And let's talk about pain. Cannabis is famous for dulling pain. Sounds awesome, right? But not so fast. Pain is your body's warning signal. If you can't feel an injury coming on, you could push too far and end up sidelined for weeks, or worse. Now, hydration is another biggie. Cottonmouth isn't just annoying, it's a sign you're getting dehydrated. Being low on fluids and pushing hard in the gym, that's a recipe for disaster. So, what about long-term gains? Honestly, science is still catching up. There's barely any research on how being high affects muscle growth or fat loss. Some early studies suggest that motivation might take a hit over time, especially if you make weed a habit before every workout. Bottom line, working out high is a huge gamble. You might get laser focus and epic vibes, or you might trip over your own feet. Either way, you're risking your safety, your progress, and maybe even your love for the grind. My take? There's nothing wrong with chasing that gym high, just do it the old-fashioned way. Hit a killer. Crush a new PR or vibe out to your favorite playlist. Trust me, the rush is real, and you don't need anything extra to get there. Stay safe, stay smart, and keep crushing it out there. Catch you in the next one.